Hi everyone, Benedict here, Simply Bart, Cape Town. Thank you for being with me again today. I'm going to be doing a commission piece. It's on a wood board and it is 30 inches or 75 centimeters by 24 inches. So it's a 24 by 30 inches or 75 by, oh, I didn't look now, by 60 centimeters. That's the size of this wood board. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. The customer or my client has given me her preferences. She wants a Dutch pour on a white base and she wants 2 lines across, and her colors, she would like blues and violets and a little bit of gray on a white background, on a white base, because her walls of her living room where she's going to hang this painting is a light dove gray, so I've got to add some gray as well. So let me get started. Let me lay down my base coat. I mixed up about 500 grams of base coat. I always mix up a lot of base coat because if you need to touch up your painting, you need to have some of the base coat available, so you don't put everything on your canvas. And I don't personally want to go and mix up extra white because it's not always the same. It doesn't always turn out the same color, so always work from the same batch. So let me get this laid down. My consistency is for that of a Dutch pour. I do have a video available on how I mix my Dutch pour consistency. And once I got the base coat laid down, I'll tell you a little bit about the colors I'm using. Alright, my base coat and my sides are done. Let me pop the air bubbles first. I'm going to be using a phthalo blue. That's the phthalo blue. I'm going to be adding cerulean blue and also dioxazine violet. This is a grey, a dark teal. I'm doing ultramarine blue and I'm adding some Amsterdam white. So let's lay the colors. It's 1 top row and 1 bottom row. I'm going to lay the colors all in the same order. Let's put it here. Cerulean blue is next. Dioxazine violet is next. I'm adding the grey on top of the violet. Then I've got the dark teal. The ultramarine blue is next. And finally the Amsterdam white. Those are my colors. I'm just getting my bottles out of the way, shifting them over to another table. Let me torch the paints now, those colors. There's some bubbles in the paint that I want to get. Okay. Remove all these tools out of the way. Place them. My blow dry is always on cool air on first speed. All right, I'm not sure about this painting. So I've been softly working on this piece. I've been blowing some of the petals with my mouth just to give it a nice soft edge. And I think I'm happy with it. I'm done with it now. Let me bring you down for a close-up.